Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to Simply Aline. Wanted to share a little DIY bathroom makeover with you guys. Unfortunately, I do not have footage of myself applying the contact paper on a countertop because I did this almost a year ago and it's still holding up really well. Also, the trimming around the mirror, I just used a glue gun to put those in place, and that was done around the same time as the countertop. So please stay tuned to the very end for some funny little moments that happened during shooting. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's grow this family, y'all. Thank you.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door.
Not sure if I mentioned it, but for the cabinets, I used a white contact paper, but somehow the footage got deleted, and I don't have it to share with you all. But Wayna's World is one of the YouTube channels that I absolutely love, and she has great videos, very detailed, on how to apply contact paper, especially if you live in an apartment. So please go check her channel out because she really does have awesome videos.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you since my hair got cut and dyed. And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger.
It works? Okay. Are you recording now? Are you recording? Get out, please. Come on. Move it. Stop. Bye.